So today our lesson is about modifying objects with removing, duplicating, curving, and moving commands. So ang dami, no? So today lahat yan pag-uusapan natin, no? So all of this is about modifying and tag dito yung tinatawag na pag tama po, to modify and to move objects, no, from the interface of the AutoCAD. Okay, so our objectives is about to enumerate modify commands by removing, duplicating, and removing objects. Remove more objects using removing and moving commands. Duplicate figure using duplication commands. Value the importance of removing and duplication moving commands in AutoCAD drafting. So, let's continue. So, our learning content today is about, so we have two learning contents, no, for this day. So, the first one is command and duplicating objects. So, this first part will be focusing on duplication of objects. So, the first one is the erase command. So if we're going to duplicate, we also to remove objects, no. So the first topic is about to erase command. So erase command is an icon like a yung others yung the other point, the other side of the pencil, no, yung eraser part niya. So yan yung icon niya, picture, no. So there are four steps to operate the erase command. So first is to type E, then spacebar, enter, then select pick box. Magkakaroon ulit ng pick box yung square na maliit. Then just select the object and then enter to erase the object. So that is. So first is to type E, then pick the object, then enter. So that's easy. Okay, so let's try in AutoCAD. No, for example, let's have an object here. Let's have a square. Okay, so another square inside of the object. Okay, so if we're going to erase the box inside of a box, so we're going to type in letter E, then enter. Then we go, meron na tayong pick box, that is the pick box, yung maliit na square na yan. Then we're going to pick the box inside. So mapapansin nyo, nag-turn siya ng gray and X, no? When you click it, and then you press enter or space bar, automatically the object will be erased. Okay? So again, if we're going to erase the outer part or the outer box naman, you're going to type in E, then enter, then click the outer box, and it is selected, then enter. Okay, so that is how easy the erase command. Okay, next, after the erase command, we have the move command. Okay, so we're going this type of command is an tag dito is an command that moves the object in a specific way. What does I mean about specific way? Kasi meron tayo tinatawag na specific point or base point na tawag. Sabihin, hindi basta-basta mo siya i-move. Meron iba-ibang paraan ng pag-move ng object. Depende sa what specific point you are using. No, let's try this. So the first thing you're going to do is type M. That is move, then enter. Then magkaroon ulit ng pick box. Then you're going to choose the object. After you choose the object, the computer will ask, or the AutoCAD will ask, give a specific base point where you can choose the center of the circle or the outside of the circle. Then you specify the second point where the circle will be placed on, kung saan siya mapupunta. And then enter for spacebar. Enter and spacebar to enter to prompt the command. Okay, so that is. So let's try it in AutoCAD. Okay, for example, I want to move this rectangular object inside this rectangular box. No, a bigger one. So we're going to move it outside, no? So again, let's type in M for move, then click move, then click the object, the rectangular object inside the rectangle, the bigger rectangle. Ang kulit ko yan, no? Then after clicking it, you're going to select an object. Ayun, naselect ko na yung object, then enter. Then it will ask you a specific base point. Okay, you can choose any part of the square as a specific base point. No, for this I choose this corner. When I click this, you will see that it connects to the cursor, no? Kumabit na siya doon sa cursor. Then you can move it anywhere you want it, any place that you want to click. Or for example, I just want to stick this corner to the corner of this triangle, and I'm just going to place it right there. And look, I just moved the rectangle at that specific corner of the triangle using that corner of this triangle, this square. So that's how we move the object using the move command. Okay, there's another way. Okay, so how about we will move the object without using a specific corner or side of the box. We just type in M, enter, then we choose the rectangle, and then enter again. Then it will ask a base point. For this time, I will choose anywhere from the interface. Kahit saan sa interface, mag-choose ako. And I will open my ortho. Yan. I will open my ortho command. And then, I will click just below here. And then we will see that it moves in a fixed angle or line or measurement because I already clicked the ortho command. So hindi siya wiggly, no, katulad kanina, no. So yan, so na-move ko siya. Or you can move it vertically. Okay. Yan. So kung halimbawa meron kayong floor plan, ginawan kayo ng meron kayong project na floor plan ng bahay, no, nabigyan kayo, tapos gusto ng may-ari ng bahay na may i-move yung mga appliances o yung halimbawa kwarto, i-move lang siya na na hindi tawag dito, na hindi nawawala sa angle or sa yung angle ng ng bahay. You can choose the move command by using ortho. Or gusto mo freely, namumove siya ng freely, you can choose from any corner on the side. You just turn off the ortho and you can move the object anywhere like this. Then you specify corner, then you can move it like this. So that's how it is using moving command. Okay, so any question about moving command? Baka may naisip kayo, baka sakaling, sir, baka pwede bang ganito? May ganun. May ganun ba kayong tanong? Pwede ba siyang i-move ng ganito, sir? Ganun. May mga tanong ba kayong ganun? Okay, mukhang ayaw nyo magtanong na naman. Okay, sige. Balik tayo sa move command. So these are the some tawag dito, list prompts that we use lately, no, doon sa move command. We use the word select. That means we select a specific object. Base point, it means where the base point or the where you going to grab the object, no. Second point, that is the second location of the object. And displacement, where you're going to specify a place where you're going to move the object. Okay, I will show you that, no. If what I'm going to do is to move the object to this center of the X and Y. So for example, I will move this by entering M, enter, move this corner, then I'm going to specify a base point. Then now it will ask me specific second point. So this time I will choose 0, 0, 0. And you will see, ayun, bumalik siya sa dati. So ibig sabihin, hindi siya na-move from anywhere, no. So you can move it by this again, by a different way. M, enter, specific point, then move to the center. And that is. Ganun lang kabilis, no? So, madali lang ang move command. Okay. 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 So, for example, I move this again. Then, enter. Then, so you will see, it specify a second command. So, let's choose about 5, comma, 3. So mapapansin nyo, nag-move siya from that, yung corner na pinili natin, nag-move siya doon sa point, parang positive 5 to positive 3. So, that is positive y to the x3. So, nag-move siya doon. So, you can choose a specific location if you want to. So, that's how easy na. Okay. Okay, sorry for my, sorry doon sa anak ko, no? Medyo na-enjoy siya doon sa pinapanood niya. Anyway, so let's go back. PowerPoint na tayo. Okay. So, next command is rotate command. So, ito, madali-dali lang to. It's just simply as move. Okay. So, in rotate command, you type in RO to in your keyboard, then spacebar, enter. Select object for pick box. So, ganun ulit, magkakaroon ulit ng pick box. Then, we choose the object. Then, we're going to have a specify point like the move object, like move command. Magbibigay ng specify point. You can choose the center or the corner or the side of the object. Or, then, you're going to specify what angle you want to move the object. Okay. So, then, spacebar and enter to finish the command. Okay. So, first, type in row. Okay. Select object. We choose the object. Okay, then specify corner, then give the angle 90 degrees and then enter. So you will see that from this object it turn up like this. So that is, no. So let's try it in AutoCAD. Let's try to make that object, no. Mabilis lang. Okay, so meron raw siyang circle, meron raw siyang another circle sa gitna, then meron raw siyang triangle doon sa Okay. Teka lang, balik ko yung ortho. Yan, you can see, no? Gumagamit akong ortho pag nahihirapan ako magawa ng straight line. You can enter the command ortho. Then, L. Ayan. Ay, turn off the ortho, F8. Yan, para mas mabilis. Okay. Naka-on yung aking mag-trim na lang ako. Okay. TR. Okay. So, ganun lang. Geto lang kabilis. Pag matagal-tagal na kayong geto na kayo kabilis ngayon. MI. Diba? Hindi ako naka-ortho. Sorry. Ayan. Okay. Then, iti-trim ko lang yan. Yup. Nagawa ko na yung object. So, ngayon, ang plano, sabi nga kanina, no, i-rotate raw natin tong object na to. Okay, 90 degrees. Actually, nakatayo na to, no? Dapat para pahiga yung ginawa ko. Anyway, so, rotate natin in 90 degrees pa, no? Paikutin na 90 degrees. So, ang command natin ay ang command natin, nasa ba yung PowerPoint ko? Yung guide ko. Okay. So, type in RO. RO nga ba? Anyway, type in rotate. RO. Then, select objects with S. Objects. Then, enter. Then, specify base point. So, I will choose the center of the circle, no? Then, when I click on center of the circle, you can see na nag-move na siya, no? Okay. But you can give a specify point, angle, no? A specific angle. About choosing 90 degrees, no? 90 degrees. Let's see what happened, no? When you choose enter, then it moves into 90 degrees. Kuha nyo? So, kanina nakatayo siya nun. Then, nag-move siya counterclockwise 90 degrees. Sir, paano kung gusto kong i-move siya ng counterclockwise? Okay, so balik natin sa dati. So, type in raw. Baliktad pala, no? Counterclockwise pala yung kanina, no? Ngayon, paano natin siya i-move ng clockwise pala, no? So, sorry, baliktad ako. So, paano natin siya move in clockwise? So, we're going to type in 90. Okay. So, specific point. But this time, we're going to click negative 90. Negative 90. Then, enter. So, it moved clockwise, no? Nag-move na siya na 90 degrees. So, ganun lang po yun. So, remember that ang starting kasi, no? Visually, no? Ang angle, naglagi siyang nag-start from this right side, no? Sa right side siya. Doon nag-start ang 0. Tapos, papunta 90, pataas. Then 180, then 360, iikot yan counterclockwise pabalik sa 0. So that is yung rotation, no? Remember that tag dito, thinking, no? Pag nasa AutoCAD na kayo. Kasi baka yung iba sa inyo when you say move into 90 degrees, baka mag-clockwise kayo ng movement, no? Pero actually pabaliktad siya, counterclockwise lagi ang movement ng ano. Kahit sa protractor, no? Tingnan niyo yung protractor. Yung kulay black from 0 from right to left yung ikot niya, no? Pag ano naman siya, pag yung red numbers naman doon sa protractor, that is the negative. Yung 0 niya nasa kabila, papunta naman sa right. So ganun 'yun. That's the idea. Okay. Na-apply rin 'yun sa AutoCAD. Okay. Anyway, so those are the list command that we use. So we have here the select object, specific point, specify rotation angle. So remember that we can give also the specific rotation, but we can also give a location that we want to. Okay. And reference object. Okay, so align command. Okay, this one is useful pagdating sa paggawa ng mga appliances, no? And also pag nagmamadali ka. Kasi in this line command, kahit di ka na mag-rotate, mag-mirror, mas mabilis mong magagawa yung trabaho. Okay, so the line command has a short keyboard command that is AL or AL. Then select the object, pick box. Okay, so we have here two objects, rectangle and a half circular, no? A half circular. Then we're going to specify the first source point, to second, to third, and to fourth destination point. Then enter. After entering, you will see that the two objects will connect each other. Not actually connect, but it aligns the object. Kasi you find the specific sides of the two objects that will be aligned. So i-align niya sila. Okay, so let's do this in AutoCAD. Okay, so I have here two objects. Here a rectangle, then a triangle. I want this side of this rectangle and this side of this triangle to be aligned. So again, what is our command for align? Ano command natin? Okay, ako na lang rin sasagot. AL. Parang niloloko ko ng sarili ko dito. Okay, AL, then enter AL. Enter. Then we're going to choose an object. For this time, we're going to choose the rectangle. And then enter or space bar. It's going to specify the first source point. Remember this, no? Dito, nung una ko tong tinatry, no, nung nagsisimula ako, di ko siya magawa ng tama kasi meron siyang specific yung movement, no. Halimbawa, so paano siya gawin? Itong corner na to dapat mag-connect sa corner na to, tapos yung corner na to mag-connect sa corner na to. So meron siyang pattern. Okay, so C1 tapos papunta kay 2. Kuha? Tapos si 3 papunta kay 4. Okay, nakuha? Then pag enter mo nan, tapos tatanong ka niyan kung base align points or no. So this time I will choose yes. So makikita nyo, nagdikit agad si square doon sa triangle. At pinantayan niya yung length ng triangle doon sa ano. Kasi nag-base point tayo. Ibig sabihin, doon tayo sa first base point siya nag-align. Pero, wag nyo isipin na naging kasing haba na niya sa triangle. Pero actually, hindi. Nag-align lang sila. Okay? Yan. So, yan. So, ganun po yung alignment. So, nasa isang guhit na yung isang bawat side ng square and triangle. Pero, individually, magkaano pa rin sila. Meron silang specific line. Magkapatong lang ng ngayon kasi pinag-align sila. So, ganun lang po yan. So, again, ulitin natin. So, tandaan nyo, ang 1 and 2 para di sa corner to. Tapos, 3, balik kay rectangle, then kay rectangle, then triangle. How about, baguhin ko yung ikot. Ibahin ko yung ikot. No? Kunyari, nalimutan nyo. Sabi, paano nga ba? Okay, so type natin al for align. Ang ginawa nyo, select the rectangle, then specify point, first point nyo dito, 1, tapos 2. Tapos ang ginawa nyo, yung 3 nyo, doon sa corner ng triangle. Tapos, nag-click ka doon sa corner ng rectangle. So, mali na, no? So, tingnan natin. Pag enter natin, ano kaya mangyayari? Pag enter nyo yan, then you ask again, kung specific, then yes. So, nangyari. So, hindi nag-align. Ang nangyari, yung corner na to, saka yung corner na to, nag-align lang siya doon sa corner ng, ng 1 and 2. So, mali na. So, ulitin natin, no? Alin ba yung tama? So, gawin uli natin. So, AL, enter, select the rectangle, enter, specify the first point to the corner of this triangle, then move tayo, lipat na tayo doon sa balik ulit tayo kay rectangle, and then punta tayo sa corner ni triangle, then enter. Then it will ask you kung object base or align points, o mag-scale tayo object base. Okay, then ngayon na, nag-align na sila. So that is alignment. So for example, no, nagagawa tayo ng mga furnitures, tapos ginagawa nyo siya hiwa-hiwalay. Kumbaga, ginawa nyo muna yung upuan, tapos yung sandalan, tapos iba pa yung patungan ng yung dito, armrest, no? Iba pa yung armrest. Pwede siyang gawin na hiwa-hiwalay, no? Tapos i-align mo niya na lang para mabuo yung object. So, ganoon lang po siya ginagamit. Okay. Yun na yan. Okay, next na tayo. PowerPoint. Okay. Trim. Okay. Ang trim, ibig sabihin, pagputol, no? Halimbawa, habang nagko-construct ka, may sumobra kang line, so puputulin mo siya. So, ito yung command na yon. So, ang trim, it has a short command that is tr. Then, then enter, then you're going to have a select box ulit, or select object, or pick box. Then, pag enter nyo, magkakaroon tayo ng select object to trim. So, pinili mo yung box, tapos sunod mo pipiliin yung puputulin. Then, enter. So, ganun lang po yan. Okay, for example, balik tayo kay CAD. Okay. Halimbawa, maggawa tayo, naka-ortho naman ako. Okay, maggawa tayo ng parang guhit dito. Okay. Yan, kunyari lalampas dito. Yan. Ngayon, so may mga sumobrang line. Ito, tong sobrang line dito, sobrang dito. Pag binura natin yan, mabura siya lahat. Ngayon, gusto mo, putulin lang. Mapuputo siya hanggang dito sa line na to. So, we're going to use the trim. So, we type in TR, then enter. After that, pipiliin nyo kung yung object kung saan siya mapuputol. Yun yung unang question. Select object or select all. Okay, pwede 'yon. So, for this time, I will select these 2 lines kasi hanggang dito sa dalawang line yung ating pagpuputulan. So, select ko siya. Then, after selecting it, enter ko na siya. So, ang hihingin ngayon yan, select object to trim or yung object na puputulin na natin. So, ito yung object na puputulin. Pag nilapit ko yung select box natin dito, mapapansin nyo na nagkaroon siya ng ibang kulay. Nag-gray yung color niya. So, ibig sabihin, pwede siyang putulin. Then, enter. So, putol na siya. Then, click again. So, naputol na natin siya. So, that is the trim command. Okay. Pwede ba siya solid object? Tingnan natin, solid object. Maglagay tayo ng rectangle dito. Then, ititrim natin siya. So, again, TR, enter. Select natin yung 2 lines kung saan siya mapuputol. Then, enter ulit. Then, select object to trim kung alin puputulin natin. So, ito. Saka, ito. So, yun na. Putol na. So, that is the use of trim command. So, napakasimple lang, no? Okay. Now, the next one. Sorry. PowerPoint. Okay. Now, let's select the other. Okay. Nagawa na natin yan. Okay. Wala akong offset. Nasaan ba yun? C pala to. Okay. Copy muna. Okay. So, next is copy command. So, this time, we're going to copy objects. No. So, madali lang to kasi actually ginagawa na rin naman natin to sa ibang software. So, eto, ang gagawin niyo lang dito, you type in CO. Oh, pero hindi pwede rin na magamitin dito yung control C. Ginagamit rin namin ng control C command dito. Pero this time, we're going to type in CO para lumabas yung copy command. Then, enter spacebar. We're going to select the object that we're going to duplicate. Then, spacebar ulit or enter. Then, we're going to give a specific base point. Then, enter. Then, move the object and then enter ulit para ma-duplicate yung object. So, that's it. So, punta tayo ngayon kay AutoCAD. How about I want to recopy this object. Copy natin yan kasi kinopen natin kanina after we rotated. So, gagawa tayo ng copy nito. So, we type in CO. Then, enter. Then, it will ask you a specific base point. For this, let's choose the center of the circle. And look what will happen. Okay, magkakaroon siya ng parang ghost line. Yan. So, ito na yung kadoble niya. So, you can move this object. Tara, patay ka lang ortho. Okay. So, you can move this object anywhere in the interface of the AutoCAD. If you want to move it to this corner of this square, pwede. Okay. Then, mapapansin nyo na doon pa rin yung yung ghost image niya. So, ibig sabihin, pwede pa rin natin siyang i-duplicate pa. So, you can choose here from this interface here. Anywhere you want. No, kahit saan nyo pwedeng ilagay. You can duplicate or copy the object the more as you want. Hanggang hindi nyo pinipindot yung escape command, hindi siya titigil sa pag-duplicate. So, when I click the escape command or the enter or the spacebar, that's the end of the the command. That's the end of the copy command. So, ganun lang siya kadali. So, even though I can choose the copy paste, no, control C then enter. Pwede rin naman yun. Ayan, so control B, ayan. So nagagawa pa rin 'yon. It can use yung Windows shortcut command for copy. Nagagawa pa rin naman. Kahit nga yung undo nagagawa dito, yung control Z and control Y. Pwede rin dito. Anyway, so balik tayo. So that is copy command. Now next is the mirror command. Okay. In mirror command, it means it will going to duplicate the object by mirror. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng mirror? When you look at the mirror, nagkakaroon ka ng copy pero in a different way, no? Yung parang yung left side right side niya. Ewan ko lang kung naiintindihan niya, no, what I mean, no. For example, when you raise your hand from the mirror, you're raising your right hand, but in the mirror, raising the left hand. So, that is mirror. So, nangyayari rin yan sa dito, no, sa AutoCAD. So, we call that the mirror command. Okay. Para mas mabilis rin makapag-produce ng object, no. Some artists, no, halimbawa nasa yung mga Blender artists, yung mga 3D artists, para mas mabilis ang trabaho nila, they create their assets, their object sa isang side lang, yung kalahati lang. Then after they finish the object, saka lang nila mini-mirror, kinokopya nila, tapos mini-mirror lang sa kabila para mabuo na yung buong object. Ginagawa nila yan para mas mabilis. Anyway, para mas mas balance and equal pag ginawa yung object. Okay, so that's their technique, no. So how to open the mirror command? Just type in mi. Then you can see at the sample here. Okay, so after typing, select the object that we're going to mirror. Then that's your object. Then select a specific point, yung center niya. Then move the cursor. Pag naka-ortho kayo, mas mabilis, no, mag-move na agad siya in different degrees, 90 to 180. Then click again the left click of your mouse to finish the command, or just type in enter or spacebar. So, kunin natin sa AutoCAD yan. Okay. So, this is our object. Ngayon, ang gusto ko mangyari, move lang natin to. Okay, move natin. Ngayon, ang gusto ko, magkaroon siya ng, itong triangle part niya, itong triangular part na to, ay magkaroon din siya dito sa kabila. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-mirror natin siya. So, i-grab natin to, select natin tong triangular part na to, tapos mag-mirror tayo. After selecting that, you type in mi, that is mirror. Then, it will ask you the first point of mirror line. Ibig sabihin, tatanungin niya sa'yo, saan yung magiging gitna niya? Ayun, yung pinaka-center, no? Hindi, parang asking you a base point where you're going to draw the mirror line. O yung magiging gitna na. So, after clicking that, so automatically gumalaw na agad siya kasi naka-ortho ko. No? Ayan. So, papasin, pag patay yung ortho ko, yan, moving siya, no? Gumagalaw siya. Kaya effective ang paggamit ng ortho. So, when I click ortho, it will lock on a 90 degree or 180 degree. So, this time, it is locked on in 90 degree. So, pag move mo yan, then, it will ask you if you're going to erase the source object. Ibig sabihin, ito, kung buburahin raw o hindi. So, just type in no, wag. Kasi duplicate lang natin. So, yan. So, now, duplicate na natin yung triangular part nito dito sa bilang ganyan. Yan. So, makikita nyo. Yan. Ito na yung object. So, another, no. Ulitin pa natin. Okay, sige. In a different angle naman. So, we choose this angle again. And then, we're going to mirror. Mi. Enter. Now, this time, let's choose. No, I will turn off the other. Then, I will give a specific angle. So mapapansin nyo doon sa aking dialog box, no? Doon sa, ayan, sa may cursor, yung kulay blue. So, na doon ako sa may angle side, no? I will choose 45 degree. 45 degree. Then, enter. So, nagkaroon ako uli ng isa pang mirror this 45 degree. So, it will ask if I need to erase the source object. Yes or no? Just type in no. So, yan. Meron na ulit tayo dito. Okay. For this one, MI uli. Enter. Specific sa center uli. Then, let's turn on the ortho. Yan. So, nagawa ko na yung ninja star. No? Yan. Pwede na ako gumawa ng ninja star sa Naruto. Hindi. Joke lang. Okay. So, that's how we use the mirror command. Next. Time check. Okay. Meron pa akong 5 minutes. May 10 minutes pa ako. Okay. Let's move on. Pasensya na, no? Madami kasi kaya parang nagmamadali ako. Okay, next. offset command. Okay, this offset command is another technique para sa paggawa ng walls ng mga bahay or paggawa ng frame, no, pang mabilisan, no. So in offset command, you just type in O in the keyboard. That is the short command for offset. Then spacebar or enter to prompt the command. Then you choose a distance, no, kung gaano kalayo yung line doon sa i-offset niya. Okay. Then specify point side of offset kung saan pupunta, kung paloob pa siya, inner or outer. Then boom, nailipit ko. Okay, and specify point. Ayan, so kung anong side, inner or outer, then enter. So that's it. Ganun siya kabilis. Okay, so let's try in AutoCAD. Okay, so here let's have a square. Kung kunyari ito raw ay isang tag dito, studio type na rent house na floor plan. Okay, so studio type, when I say studio type, square lang siya. Then next, we're going to use the offset. So simply type in O pala. Type in O, then enter. Now it will be it will ask you a specified distance through, or yeah, okay. About choosing the papunta dito. So let's have a specific point. Naka-on pala ortho ko. Yan. So midpoint. So we will going to specify. Okay. So try nga natin kung meron na itong given. May given na pala siya. Okay. Ulitin natin. So this one, gawa tayo ng measure. Let's say 20. Yan natin kung ano mangyari. Okay. So malaki pa rin. Ulitin natin. Click uli natin. This time, gawin natin 10. Enter. So, lumiit, no? Malaki pa rin. So, this time, gawin natin sigurong 3. Yan, 3 siguro. Then, enter. So, yan. Mayroon ng border or walls yung ating floor plan. So, ganyan. Pwede ba to palabas? Yes, kasi kanina ginawa natin paloob, no? So, hanggang hindi nyo pinibidyo ng escape, nasa offset command pa rin siya. So, when you click the outside wall, then move it to outside, yan. Then, click 5, then enter. Yan. Then, same thing, 5 uli. Yan. Hanggang na doon pa rin yan, mag-continuous pa rin yan. Kahit paloob, yan. Hanggang na doon pa rin yung command, magko-continue pa rin siya ng hanggang hindi niya na-escape. Ayan pa rin siya. So, yan po ang tinatawag nating offset. So, pwede rin po yan sa mga curve object. Pwede rin siyang curve object. For example, circle. Lagyan mo siya ng offset. O. Then, click mo yung specify point kung saan siya mag-offset. Then, type in size, no? Let's say 10. Yan. Then, click paloob. Yan. So, makakagawa kayo ng ring of object. Yan. So, panay bilog na yan. So, it will continue. Kahit palabas, no? Pwede rin yan. Kung gusto kulang kayo ng palabas niya. So, ganyan kabilis ang paggamit ng offset. Next. Yan. Malapit na tayo. Okay. Array command. Ang array command, meron siyang tatlong uri ng array command. Meron siyang tinatawag na rectangular, polar, and path array. Okay, let's start with the rectangular array. So, this is the icon for rectangular array. This time, ito medyo complicated. So, please listen carefully. So, this one, we're going to select an object, square or rectangle. Teka lang. Ito yung object natin. So, we're going to select them all. Okay. Then, enter column 4. So, pag nag-enter kayo ng column 4, it means, meron siyang column to, meron siyang column na 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, pwede nyo rin edit yung row. You choose, type in 4 rows. So, 4 columns and 4 rows. Specific distance, you can edit also the specific distance. For example, 2 or 1. it means it moves closer to each other kung nababawasan. Then, lumalayo pag ano. So, that is array. Halimbawa, gumagawa kayo ng seat chairs para sa loob ng isang classroom na floor plan. So, pag gusto niyo ng mabilisan, gawa lang kayo ng isang upuan, tapos click nyo lang yung array. Automatic, it will give you a lot of chairs na i-recopy niya yun, kukopyahin niya yun, pero pararamihin pa niya. So, ganun kabilis. Okay. Ang nangyayari nga lang, nagiging isang object na lang siya. Hindi siya individual object. Isang object na lang siya. So, let's try this. Okay, with the S. Okay, for example, may mesa sa canteen. Yan. Tapos, kailangan ng maraming mesa, no? So, ang command natin for array, kasi medyo mahaba yung ano niya. So, you type in array R. Array R. Array. Array. Okay. So, type in ARR. Sorry. ARRAY. Tapos R. Yan. So, meron tayong array rectangle. So, we choose an object. Then, enter. Then, you will see, nagkaroon na siya ng 4 by 3 rows. Yan. 4 by 3 rows. So, gusto mong mabago to, no? Na dito lang siya sa taas. Dito sa taas. You can choose by column. Palitan natin columns ng 2. Tingnan natin mangyayari. Yan. So, bababawasan siya ng 2. Yung rows natin, gawin natin 2 rin. So, mangyayari, babawasan siya ng 2. So, nasa iyo yung command. No? Ngayon, gawin natin uling 4. Yan. Ngayon, sabi mo, gusto mo layuan, no? So, meron tayo dito. Saan ba yun? Okay, so meron tayong level, may in-between tayo, may total. So, nasa iyo kung gaano kalalayo yung bawat object, no? Okay. Ito, meron tayong in-between dito. So, you can change that, no? For now, ayoko muna baguhin. Baka kasi malito ako, hindi ko na mabalik sa dati. Kaya hindi ako basta-basta nagbabago ng setup. Anyway, so you can yun nga, yung select no the object and change these settings. Okay, so ganun lang po yan. That is the first array, no? The next array, PowerPoint, please. Okay. Next array is polar array. What to say by polar? It means we're talking about circular movement. No, you look at this icon. No? So, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So, this object will move into a circular motion. So, for this, kung kanina meron tayong array R, meron tayong array P for polar. So, balik tayo kay AutoCAD. So, sa AutoCAD, magawa naman tayo ng circle. Kasi polar, no? Okay, so let's try circle. Okay. This time, ay malaki pala yung circle ko. Kita lang natin. Okay. Yan. So, close up na lang natin. Now, this time, we're going to type in array polar. Okay, meron path pero ang pipili natin polar. Okay, we're going to select the object, then enter. Then we're going to specify the point of array. Okay, sorry. Nalimutan ko yung yung pag-iikutan. Okay, gawa tayo ng isang circle uli. This time yung sa gitna. Yan. Ay, masyadong malaki. Circle uli. Okay. So ang gagawin ko, iikot ko tong mga circle. Gagawa ko ng maraming duplicate ng circle na to. Pero iikot ko siya dito. Sa circle na to. So, gawin natin. Click natin to. Then, type in array. P. Polar. Okay. Then, sabi dito, specify point of array. Okay. So, yun. Nakita nyo, nag-duplicate na agad siya. So, meron na siya dito. Ngayon, kung gusto nyong bawasan, na dito lang siya sa number of items. So, you're going to choose it, for example, 5. enter, naging 5 na siya. Then, meron rin siyang rows, no? If you're going to select rows, let's try kung anong mangyayari pag pilatan natin ang rows. Gawin natin 2. Okay, so nagkaroon siya ng 2 rows of each circle roaming around this circle in the center, no? Ayan. Okay, so that's how we use polar. Now, the last one and the last command in this topic. This is the the path array. Yung path array naman, this is a same command as a polar, but this time it is on the curved line naman. Kung kanina sa circle, ito naman mag-move siya into a curved object, no? Okay. Para dito, para mas enjoy naman, hindi curve lang ang gagawin natin. Gagawa tayo ng spline. So, gawa tayo ng spline. Circle muna pala, sorry. Gawa tayo ng circle. Okay. Yan. Tapos, gawa tayo ng spline. Dito. 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 Yan. Okay. Then, enter. Okay. So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng mga duplicates na circle na susunod dito sa angle na to. So, type natin array path. Now, select the object. Then, enter. The next, it will ask you the select path of the curve. So, it will look for a curve object. Then, when I enter when I click the curve line, it automatically it duplicates the circle and create a ray following the curve. Ayan, so yan na po yung curve. Okay. Ngayon, you can also edit the number of the circle and also the number of rows. Okay, so ganun lang po yan. So that is our topic about commands. So that is our last topic. So any question, guys, before we head on our activity for this morning? May question kayo? Okay. Nag-notif na doon sa Gmail ko yung assignment, no? Sa Gmail nyo na rin. Siguro yon, naka-notif na sa inyo yan. Okay, so wala kayong question, tahimik lang kayo. Okay, dahil wala kayong question, bibigyan ko kayo ng activity. For this activity, guys, for this lesson, okay. First activity is to do a rotate command. So, this is the object. Now, because you don't have the AutoCAD, if you have the AutoCAD, you are lucky. Okay, because you're going to need to redraw this and then you need to rotate this. No? Okay. So, ang gagawin lang natin, itong circle na to, paiikutin lang natin itong line to, tapos yung circle na to, into 90 degree. So, you're going to type in row, then enter, select the object, yung circle na to, saka yung 2 lines na to. Tapos, you're going to give a specify point, ito yung gitna ng circle, then specify rotation angle. So, type in 90. Then, you type in 90, automatically, mag-move ito, itong circle na to, counterclockwise, papunta dito. Kaya meron tayong drawing dito. It means, pag wala kayong AutoCAD, magdo-drawing kayo. After nyo draw, okay, picturean nyo lang, tapos i-paste nyo na lang doon sa documents, no? Or ilagay nyo na doon sa documents na, Google Docs, no? For example, no, pwede nyo naman gawin siya sa Word, tapos i-convert nyo na lang siya ng Google Docs. Yun, pwede na yan. Send you for your assignment. Okay, so that's it. Pero mas madali yung copy-paste na lang sa image, no? Copy then paste na lang doon sa doc. Mas mabilis yan. Next activity, ito naman yung tatawag dating array. So, kanina ginawa ko to, no? Pag-array. This time, ito yung object na dito nyo siya gagawin. So, you're going to redraw again. Pag wala kayong AutoCAD, you need to redraw. Pag may AutoCAD, you can do this. Okay. Ngayon, itong circle na to, ito yung magiging center niya dito sa X and Y. Naka-center siya sa X and Y. Then, itong zero na to, itong circle na to, na dito siya sa grid line na to center na to. Ngayon, ang command is to create a array polar. So, array polar, kailangan raw meron siyang 4 na circle. So, ibig sabihin, meron circle dito sa center below, meron dito sa right, meron to sa top, meron din to sa left. Ganun po yan. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 na nasa gitna ng circle. Okay, don't ask me if kung may measurement kasi naka-guide naman siya doon sa grid, no? Kung mapapansin niyo, naka-guide siya sa grid, no? Yung circle. Yan. Ito siguro kahit anong measurement na basta ang center niya na doon sa dito yung intersection ng grid na to dito sa point na to. Doon niyo ilalagay yung circle. Then siyempre, doon din yung sa kabila, pati dito, doon sa taas. Okay, so that is it. Okay. And for the last activity, eto madali lang to. You simply type in the missing command from step 1, yung step 3, yung step 5, step 7, and step 8 para magawa yung tinatawag na mirror command. So ano yung mga command or mga step by step to do this command? Okay? So nawawala yung mga missing step dito. Okay? So naiintindihan ba yung activity nyo? Okay. So I will send yes, may tanong? Okay, wala? Okay, sige.
Wala po, sir.
Okay, I will copy the link. Then, I will paste it in your GC. Yung inyong Facebook. Okay, bakit ganon? Okay. So, dito, paste ko dito. Yan, I send a shortcut link para pumunta doon sa assignment nyo. Doon sa inyong Google Class. So, you can click that, papunta doon. Okay, yung pre-test, actually, hindi ko pa siya nagagawa. Pero may pre-test to eh. Anyway, pwede nyo naman natin gawin yan on our next lesson. No? I will send the pre-test for your activity on, ano ba tayo? Wednesday. No? Wednesday. Ang hindi ko lang alam is tomorrow. Anyway, di nyo naman problema. So, yun nga. So, that is our activity and lesson for today. So, guys, I hope you get our lesson this morning.